Good morning, students. I hope you all are very good, right? So, children, welcome back to your maths class. I hope you all are fine, right? I am also fine. So, children, as you all know that we have started our chapter number 9, that is measurement, right? Okay, so we have started our chapter number 9, measurement, on page number 125, right? So, in this chapter, we have started with with measurement of length. Yes, first of all, we have done this introduction part in which we have understood that how these different measurement are important. Yes, measurement of length, measurement of mass, measurement of capacity, right? After that, we have started in yesterday's video, we have understood about how to measure length. Yes, two units are required to measure length, right? Meter and centimeter, right? And in 1 meter 100 centimeters are there. Yes, and we have understood easily with the help of a scale that how we can measure these things like pencil, eraser, pen, notebook, textbook. Okay, these things can be easily measured with the help of these this scale, right? But the things like bed, wall, door, height of a door, and even train, the length of train, these things are quite difficult to measure. Yes, so for them bigger unit is required, and that is meter, right? So we have done this exercise yesterday. Now today it's time to understand that how we can measure mass. Okay, what is mass? First of all, let's understand that what is mass. Okay, so let's start. Here it is given, see this boy, his name is Arijit. Yes, Arijit could carry his school bag on his back, right? Arijit school bag तो अपने बैग पर carry कर सकता है, but he could not keep or pick up a larger suitcase. But इतना बड़ा suitcase he is not able to carry it on his back. Yes, why? Because the larger suitcase is too heavy and the school bag is lighter in mass. Okay, so what is mass? Mass is weight. Okay, what is mass? Mass मतलब उसका वजन, right? School bag जो है वो हल्का है as compared to suitcase, right? So that is why he can easily hold his school bag at his back, but he is unable to carry his suitcase over his back. Yes, now here more example is given. To make it more clear, we can do one thing. We can keep a glass full of water in middle. Yes, now if we see that the weight of this glass is heavier than these things. Pen is heavier than this glass? No, pen is lighter. Pencil, of course, pencil is also lighter than this glass. Yes, eraser is also lighter from this glass. Yes, and even sharpener is lighter than this glass. Yes, now see another examples. Yes, now if we take the weight of this watermelon, then definitely it will weigh more than this glass of water. Even the brick, even this flower pot, even this cooker, pressure cooker, right? So these things are heavier and these things are lighter than this glass. Yes, so this is what we exactly do while measuring mass. Okay, because measuring mass means to weigh the things. Yes, to make a weight of something. Okay, वजन किसी चीज का देखना, उसको हम कहते हैं measuring mass. Okay, so children, do you know that we measure mass in kilograms and grams? Okay, here you can see simple balance. Okay, see simple balance is here, so we can weigh the things with the help of this simple balance or weighing balance. Okay, we call it as simple balance also, and we call it as weighing balance also. Okay, so we use standard units like kilogram and gram to weigh objects, right? हम किलोग्राम और ग्राम को मेजर करने के लिए हमें जब चीज़ों को मेजर करना होता है, when we want to measure things, when we want to weigh objects, at that time we need units like kilogram and gram. Yes, kilogram is written as kg and gram is written as g. Okay, किलोग्राम kg के फॉर्म में लिखा जाता है और ग्राम g लिखते हैं शॉर्ट फॉर्म में. यस, एंड 1 kg इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 ग्राम. किलोग्राम्स जो होता है वो हैवियर ऑब्जेक्ट्स को वे करने में यूज़ होता है ये यूनिट, और लाइटर ऑब्जेक्ट्स को जब हम वे करते हैं तो वो चीज़ें ग्राम में होती हैं. राइट, नाउ इफ़ वी टेक अ एग्जाम्पल ऑफ टी स्पून एंड टेबल स्पून. Teaspoon is smaller than tablespoon, right? So teaspoon of salt weighs about 5 kg and tablespoon of salt weighs about 15 kg. Yes, now here if we see these pieces of ginger, yes, 2 big pieces of ginger weigh about 100 kg and 5 big pieces of ginger weigh about 250 gram. Yes, so 2 big pieces of ginger weigh about 100 grams. Yes, gram, because this is smaller thing, smaller object, you know, lighter object. So lighter objects के लिए हमें ग्राम का यूज़ करना होता है, और जब वो heavier चीज़ हो जाती है, if I am taking these 6 apples, so 6 apples weigh about 1 kg और मे बी मोर देन 1 kg, है ना. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि 1 kg में हमारे 5 ही एप्पल्स आते हैं. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द साइज ऑफ द एप्पल्स. इफ एप्पल्स आर बिग इन साइज देन 5 एप्पल्स और 6 एप्पल्स विल कम इन 1 kg. yes, and 3 apples will come in 500 gram. yes, and why do we use this word about? Because we don't know that whether it is exactly weighing the same thing. yes, हमें ये नहीं पता होता कि exactly ये 1 kg ही है, इसीलिए हम यहाँ पे टर्म यूज़ करते हैं about. yes, in every sentence, in everything we have used about word. We are using this just because of that we are not sure. We are not sure that which is the exact unit. yes, what is the exact amount of that particular thing. yes, exact weight of that particular thing. right, so जब हमें बिल्कुल exact उस चीज़ का पता नहीं होता तो हम यहाँ पे term use करते हैं about. okay, so for measuring bigger or heavier objects we use kg, and for lighter objects we use gram. okay, now here is our exercise also, so we will start doing our exercise. Today we are going to do exercise 9b. okay, so children, here is our question. okay, exercise 9b we are going to do, and question number 1 is how much would each object weigh? Pick the correct option. okay, so here is a sack of potato in which potatoes are kept. yes, now you have to guess whether they are 2 kg or 2 gram. so they are 2 kg. yes, they are not 2 gram. 2 gram तो बहुत छोटा होता है, बहुत कम होता है. yes, so they must be 2 kg. yes, now see, this pencil is of 10 gram or 10 kg. 10 kg is too much, so a pencil can't weigh too much, so this is 10 gram. right, 10 gram. okay, now see, this is a spoon weighs 5 kg or 5 gram, so it weighs 5 gram. right, 5 gram. so we have to tick also na, so we will tick like this. okay, now next is, this is a potato chips packet. okay, so does it weigh 100 kg or 100 gram? so it must weigh 100 gram. right, so we will write here 100 gram. okay, clear? so in this way we have done our question number 1. okay, now let's move to question number 2. Our question number 2 is circle the objects which you think can weigh more than 1 kg. 1 kg से जो ज़्यादा चीज़ें हैं उनको आपको क्या करना है? You have to circle those objects. okay, children. So this balloon, does it weigh 1 kg? No. Mug weigh more than 1 kg? No. Puppy a dog. It's a dog? Yes. A dog can weigh more than 1 kg, right? Now, candle? No. Of course not. ये 1 किलोग्राम से कम होगा. Chair? Yes. More than 1 kg. Yes. Table? Yes. More than 1 kg. Right? Cock? No. Bus? Of course. It is too heavy. So, it definitely weigh more than 1 kg. Right? Now, next is bicycle. Bicycle also weigh more than 1 kg. Right? Now, question number 3. What is question number 3? Let's see. Write how much would each of the following objects weigh. इन सब चीज़ों का वज़न कितना हो सकता है? You have to guess from the given quantities. Yes, 500 gram, 250 gram, 1 kg or 100 gram. Okay? Okay, children. So, these apples count. Yes, these are around 6 apples. So, it must be 1 kg. Right? Now, see this flour. फ्लावर है ना, आटे का है ये. सो ये कितना हो सकता है? इट मस्ट बी 500 ग्राम बिकॉज इट इज़ अ स्मॉल पैकेट. सो मे बी इट इज़ 500 ग्राम. राइट. नाउ सी जिंजर. जिंजर इज़ हाउ मच? यस, इट मस्ट बी 100 ग्राम और 250 ग्राम. इट मस्ट बी 250 ग्राम. Right? And last is burger. So burger, which quantity is left? 100 gram. So it must be weigh about 100 gram. Okay. So in this way we have completed our exercise 9B. Okay, children. So I hope you have understood that how we can do the weight of any heavy or light thing. Yes. So try to weigh things at home also and try to guess that which thing is lighter, which thing is heavier. Okay, so enjoy your maths. Okay, stay home, stay safe. God bless you all.